Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a product review day. I have been using the Shu Uemura Art of Hair Overnight Serum for about a year. It's called Nourishing Taming Overnight Serum. It has red camellia oil in it, but it comes out more like a serum for your face. And what I like to do is emulsify it in my hand and ears down, just focus on the ends, and then whatever is remaining I will put up higher on my hair. This I do right before bed. So I brush out my hair, apply the overnight serum, and then go to sleep. And as I'm sleeping, it's going to hydrate and nourish my hair, sort of like your nightly skin moisturizer does for your face, or your retinol, or whatever you use to hydrate your skin and repair it overnight. It gives you a good solid 8 to 10 hours, well, probably like realistically 6 to 8 hours of your hair being able to hydrate itself. No heat styling involved. You're not out in the elements. You're not being exposed to the sun. You're just in the nice reparative space of your bedroom. It's a great time to just let your hair soak in nutrients. And in the morning, your hair will be a lot smoother, shinier, healthier. Even if you shampoo it, it's going to have a good base and foundation. Your blow dry is then primed to be even better too. Overnight serum seems to be kind of a new thing. I think the skincare line has definitely been embracing that for a while now, but to do it in your hair, it's now becoming very popular, and it makes sense because you have this 8-hour chunk of time, which is the perfect time to hydrate your hair. So I highly recommend a serum like this. The Shu Uemura Art of Hair smells so amazing. It's so luxurious. It's very high-end feeling. But if you don't want to add an extra expense to your hair routine, you can always just use your everyday oil and put that in at night. But if you want something that really is meant for hydrating your hair as you sleep, then I highly recommend the Shu Uemura Art of Hair. It smells so good. Let me know what you think about adding an overnight serum to your routine in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with more videos like these. I will see you next time.